Hello students. If you are watching this video, then congratulations on your acceptance into the Sir Arthur Lewis Community College. My name is Mr. Bissett, and I am just one of the lecturers within the Associate of Applied Arts degree in Digital Media. In this video, we will take a short look at some of the courses that you will be undertaking during your 2-year course of study if you choose the Front-End Web Development program. In the Digital Media Front-End Web Development program, you can expect to take the following courses.
As part of your Level 1 grouping in Year 1 for the first semester, you will encounter DIG 105, Introduction to Digital Media, and DIG 107, You and the Digital World. As part of your Level 2 grouping in Year 2 for the first semester, you will encounter DIG 211, Web Development 1, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And as part of your Level 2 grouping in Year 2 for the second semester, you will encounter DIG 212, Web Development 2, Server-Side Scripting, and DIG 208, Mobile App Development. As you may have learned by now and can see here, each course successfully completed in the program contributes to your overall number of credits needed to graduate, and each course is also spread over a number of hours in which the course content can be taught and completed. But we will look at that later. For now, let us look briefly at what each of these exciting courses are about and what you can expect to learn. In the Introduction to Digital Media course, we will begin to explore what digital media means in the modern world. You can expect to learn key theory and concepts currently associated with the art and science of digital media production. You will learn to use basic tools and apply basic techniques to digital media production and encounter the wider connections to digital media in a Caribbean context. But it's not all photography, videography, and vlogging over here. The course will also help you define yourself as a digital media professional by exposing you to the do's and don'ts for positive practices in online networks, communities, and services, including intellectual property rights and netiquette. Speaking of the do's and don'ts for positive online practices, we come to a personal favorite course of mine, You and the Digital World. This course gives you a revealing and rich insight into the various aspects of being a good digital citizen. Yes, citizen. By the end of this course, you will come out with a huge appreciation of your place in the digital world and the great responsibility that comes with it. In this course, you can expect to encounter concepts such as digital copyright, privacy, cybersecurity, and your digital footprints. So I can already hear your thoughts. Okay, let's talk about the real front-end web development. Well, with Web Development 1, your wish is granted. This course will provide you with basic knowledge and hands-on skills required for planning, designing, and developing effective websites with a focus on the technologies used in web development. In this course, you will be exposed to basic terminologies and tools, coding with HTML5 and JavaScript, as well as enhancing web pages with the use of page layout techniques in cascading style sheets or CSS. By the end of this course, you will have fully developed and hosted a world-class website or two. So, you know how to develop and host a decent website. Bravo! But what separates the sheep from the goats? The apples from the oranges? The tomatoes from the potato? Okay, you get the point. In web development 2, you move from the client side of web development to the server side of web development. You will learn and explore and understand how to use different server-side web programming languages such as PHP, MySQL, and Node.js to create some of the robust features and behaviors that you've seen and experienced on many of the websites that you interact with daily, but never gave a second thought to how it was done. You can expect to develop simple, database-driven web applications and also explore simple everyday threats to website security and how these can be managed with server-side scripting techniques. We live in the age where mobile technology and mobile applications literally run the world that we live in. Whether it's education, entertainment, business, socialization, or content creation, there is an unending thirst for the next hot mobile app. Maybe it could come from you. And that is exactly what the mobile app development course aims to do. Here, you will journey through the process of mobile app creation, beginning from looking at the mobile app ecosystem or the environment mobile apps reside in, to the categories of apps, tools and frameworks used, and finally to mocking up and building simple web-based applications using coding languages like AngularJS and development frameworks like Ionic. So now that you know what you're likely to get into for each of these courses over the next 2 years, let's go over some general information. These courses will be offered 100% online. So all of our interactions will take place in a digital setting through self-paced activities, synchronous and asynchronous instruction. That means we may meet online for class sessions or you may be required to work on your own with tutorials, content, or exercises. In these courses, you will be graded across a wide range of assigned coursework, including online discussion forums, quizzes, content creation, research and presentation, journals and e-portfolios, as well as development projects and collaborative or group activities. There are also 2 practicums or final practical development projects to complete as part of your first and second semester in year 2. Because of the nature of these courses and also the method of assessment and grading during the course, it is very important that you have the right tools to ensure that you are fully able to take advantage of what it offers. A fully functional, reliable computer is top on that list. For some courses, especially Introduction to Digital Media, a camera is definitely an asset. You don't need to have a fancy DSLR camera, as a good smartphone camera or a webcam will do. Reliable internet access is a primary tool of your work here, as without it, you may miss important deadlines or class sessions. And finally, enthusiasm and excitement for what you will do and learn in this program makes the experience 100 times more pleasant for you and your lecturer.